Hello everyone. Today I will explain the importance of warning a person about your Miranda rights before any arrest procedure. First, what are Miranda rights? Miranda rights are legal rights given to a person who is being arrested. These include the rights to remain silent, the rights to have a lawyer, police officer must inform the suspect about this right before asking question. Second, the significance of importance. It is important to inform a person of their Miranda rights because it protects them from being forced to speak or confess. It also ensures fairness and prevents abuse of authority. When suspects know their rights, they can make proper decisions such as asking for legal assistance. Third, the legal protection. If Miranda rights are not explained in a statement of confession made by the suspect may not be accepted in court. This helps make sure that the justice is served properly. In conclusion, informing a person of their Miranda rights is very important to protect human rights, ensure due process, and maintain fairness in the criminal justice system. And that's all today. Thank you.